Hello and good morning. This is Holly Shields live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney, and you're watching our Market Open Report. This is the early trades. Today, the S&P ASX 200 is lower, dropping 0.91%. The bottom performing stocks in this index include Life360, which is down 5.56%, and REA Group, down as well 3.7%. Over the past week, the index has gained 0.87%, but is still down 3.72% for the year to date. And looking at some stocks making a buzz in the opening session, Australia's largest domestic pure-play industrial REIT, Centuria Industrial REIT, announced the acquisition of 2 industrial development sites and 1 strategic investment property with a combined estimated end value of $59 million. The REIT is also divesting an asset for $34.5 million, providing a 37% premium to the 31st of December book value of $25.2 million. This will provide the opportunity to immediately deploy the proceeds into new initiatives to deliver potential growth for shareholders. And also in the news today is the mineral explorer and developer of resources, Marquee Resources, who announced that it's entered into a binding term sheet with Mineral Resources to explore and develop lithium deposits in a joint venture across West Spargoville project in WA. Some of the key points in the binding term sheet highlight that the agreement is conditional on MinRes completing due diligence on the project within 4 weeks. It also stated that the company has the right to acquire an initial 25% legal and beneficial interest in the lithium rights by funding all exploration and development activities and completing a feasibility study for the project, including a JORC comp. What's more, Marquee will be responsible for managing the implementation of the exploration and development activities on the tenements during the initial farming period. And then moving on, health imaging IT provider Medicus today announced its wholly owned US subsidiary, Visage Imaging, has signed a $28 million 7-year contract with Alina Health. The non-profit healthcare system has 28,000 employees and 6,000 associated and employed physicians, and it operates 11 hospitals in more than 90 clinics throughout Minnesota and Wisconsin. Based on a transactional licensing model, the contract will see the company's Visage 7 enterprise imaging platform and Visage 7 workflow module implemented throughout Alina Health, providing a unified diagnostic imaging platform across the network. And then finally, Australia's leading infant nutrition and goat dairy product producer, Bubs Australia, has said the Biden administration announced that it has sourced the first 2 flights to transport a delivery of 6 Bubs infant formula products, including Bubs Preem, A2 beta-casein protein, Bubs Organic grass-fed cow milk, and Bubs Easy Digest goat infant milk formula, as well as follow-on formula products. The company will be distributing a total of 1.25 million tons of Bubs infant formula products to top US retailers over a series of shipments in the coming weeks. And that is all for now on the early trades, but stay tuned for more only on Kalkine TV. I'm Holly Shields, signing off.